Reporting from Alberta, Alabama, Britton Lynn, the 33 News.
Check out these dark and gloomy rain clouds that hovered over part of Tarrant County for most of the day. This was near Arlington. The sky was almost black for much of the afternoon, and we may have to wait until Tuesday to see much relief from the threat of severe weather. Let's check in with meteorologist Bob Goosmann. We've just had a real stretch of severe weather here.
We have, Dawn. It doesn't compare to other places in the nation. As you know, we need the rainfall that's falling right now across the area. The other big news, look at that temperature, 48 at DFW. Detroit 63, Boston 51. We're the same temperature as Caribou, Maine right now. Dallas-Fort Worth. That does not happen too often. Thunderstorms, well, good news for the southeast for the cleanup efforts. These thunderstorms are not moving in the direction of Alabama and all of the states in the southeast. They're going to stay somewhat farther to the north. We are dealing with showers and even a few embedded thunderstorms. The warnings have all ceased for the time being. We still could see a stronger thunderstorm overnight with gusty winds, even some hail. A couple of these storms do look like they're trying to get a little stronger. The one southwest of Benbrook. So we'll continue to see these overnight tonight into the early morning hours tomorrow, and even again maybe early afternoon tomorrow before drier air starts to move in tomorrow night, and definitely on Tuesday. Does not look like May 1st, does it? With temps in the middle 40s out there, and you put a 17-mile-per-hour wind with a 48-degree temperature, wind chills are in the upper 30s to near 40 out there. 72 the high. So if you look back 5 years from now and you look back in the record book and you say on May 1st, the high was 72, well, that was at midnight last night. You have to live through this day to know just how chilly it was. This was more like it. It was in the upper 40s, lower 50s for the better part of the day. Would have been nice to get more rain. Only 0.04, but the rain continues to fall officially at DFW, and we've got to really knock into that number right there. Minus 5.59 for the year. We're almost 6 inches below average, and it's only May 1st. So overnight lows tonight will drop several more degrees, maybe even a few upper 30s, if you can believe it, up along the Red River. For the rest of us, scattered showers and thunderstorms with temps in the lower and middle 40s. And overnight tonight, that one batch is going to be moving on through. The next batch will be developing to the southwest. It'll come through. And then tomorrow afternoon, maybe 1 or 2 more areas of rain. Then you can definitely see the drier air start moving in. The coolest air will leave. And once that sun comes out on Tuesday, it's going to start to warm up. It's not going to get to 80, but 70 is a possibility on Tuesday. And then a few days after that, 80 is a possibility. Highs tomorrow, though, nowhere close to 80. How about 53? More off and on rainfall. Very chilly. A raw day out there, but it does get better after that. So a chilly rain tonight with isolated thunderstorms. Some of them still could be heavy. There's that possibility. 42 to 45 tomorrow. Very cool. More rain and thunderstorms. Not an all-day thing by any stretch. Sort of like today. There'll be areas of rain. 49 to 54 and 53. And then it gets gorgeous on Tuesday and Wednesday. Dry air. Thursday, Friday, we start to warm back up into the lower and middle 80s. Then the humidity actually starts to come back into early next weekend, and maybe a thunderstorm late on Sunday. But overall, a much better forecast. So let's hope we get some rainfall tonight and tomorrow without the severe weather here. Not to the north. They've had too much up along the Red River, almost 7 inches. Becky's got your forecast each and every morning on 99.5 The Wolf.
Got an iPhone or